In today's video, we are going to be using the Kubota M8 for the first time. So, first time live in action. What we are doing is we are actually disking this field here, and this is not our field. We're doing some custom work for a neighbor of ours, and so we're actually tilling up. It's pretty much been in a grass cover mix, and so we're tearing this up, and we're going to plant another cover crop for him that he grazes. So you'll get to see the M8 in action, and hope you enjoy it. Done with our first field disking behind the Kubota M8. So that's exciting. It did a pretty good job. What do you like about the Kubota, Brookanna?
I like that it's orange.
She likes the color orange. What was the color of the high school you went to?
Orange and black.
Orange and black. So this is like her school colors right here. How do you like the buddy seat?
Oh, it's comfy.
Yeah. So the whole cab's very, very comfortable.
Yeah.
And yeah, it did a really good job pulling this disc. It's not pulling down at all. You can definitely tell this tractor has a lot of power. Obviously, it's not a huge disc behind me, but you know, this isn't easy tilling conditions either. So, was pretty impressed with how it pulled. And but yeah, we're gonna move on to the next couple fields. There's just a couple little pieces around here, little 10-acre patches. So we'll move on to the next field. One of the things I really like so far about this tractor is the fact that you know, your gear shift, you shift gears pushing this forward or backward, and then you raise your implement just with your thumb. You got your 2 hydraulics there, so you can do multiple things, and then your throttle is also, you know, right within reach of your thumb. So basically everything is really accessible right there. I haven't driven too many brand new tractors like this, and so I probably don't have a great level of comparison to compare it to, but compared to our older tractors, I think it's really handy, and it shifts really smoothly, and really liking it disking so far. I live on the other side of Coronado Heights. It's kind of weird to be on this side of Coronado Heights today. You know, we're farming in the mountains here in Kansas. It's hard to see them, but those are as big of mountains as you're going to find here. All right, another field done. We got one more to go to, but I'm going to let you guys go. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video of our Kubota M8 disking some fields. Again, we are not tillage farmers, but we've gotten to dabble in tillage a little bit this year, so hope you've enjoyed getting to see us experiment. Remember to click like and subscribe and leave us a comment if you have any questions, and remember to read the caption below or the description above on Facebook if you're interested in helping support us or watching some more of our videos or following us on the different social media platforms. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.